So we got the 3 markers. We have our bag that we messed up the first time, so we flipped it over. We're gonna do it again. So KJ, you know what to do.
Yes.
We have our canvas, and no, keep it back on. Turn it back on that side. All right, do exactly how we did before.
Okay.
Not so hard. Just scribble, scribble.
I want to get some music in here.
All right, was that it? Okay, so then we spray it with water.
Okay, you think that is water?
All right, and then you take it. Look.
Is that how it was supposed to go?
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
It's called watercolor art. What do you think about those colors?
On this?
Mm-hmm.
Dirty. Looks like one of these things look like poop.
Oh my God.
Like somebody threw up and then it went back inside them and they have to poop.
All right. So we're gonna let this dry, and then we're going to put our graphic on there, right? What did we say we was going to be?
I don't know.
Don't grow up as a trap.
Yeah.
All right.
Gather harvest carefully. It feels kind of wet on the stomach side, but it feels good. It's dry. I told you.
It is dry, so let me get our transfer so we can put that on there. And KJ, you're going to do that part too.
Purchase your tracks today.
Recorded you doing that.
Can they look at this? I think a YouTube channel is called Don't Want Grow Up, It's a Trap. Because when you grow up,